Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a battery life review of the Samsung Galaxy A20. And this phone comes with a 6.4-inch 720p Super AMOLED display, and the battery size is having the same as what you get on the Samsung Galaxy A30 as well as the Samsung Galaxy A50. And this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size with support a fast charging. I charge this phone up to 100% and I set a brightness all the way up to max, and then I am use this phone, and let's show you the what you get on the screen on time from this phone. And I set the brightness all the way up to max, and only I use the phone when the screen on. I do not use the Wi-Fi when screen is off, or mobile data as well. And you can see this phone is giving you a about 5 hours and 52 minutes screen on time, and I use the YouTube off dark theme, and this phone is 2 hours and 46 minutes. I also use Instagram for 45 minutes, and I use the camera for about 18 minutes consume level from different applications. And you can see about 1 day and 13 hours this phone is giving you a battery on time. And the battery life, it is not very good in this phone because it has a very big battery as well as a big display, and it's not giving you a good battery life as the Samsung Galaxy A30. And A30 is giving you a hours and more minutes screen on time, but this phone is not very good for the battery life. I hope the Samsung will improve some software updates. So that's about it. So thank you so much for watching this battery life review of the Samsung Galaxy A20. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You want to see some more videos about the Samsung Galaxy A20, and subscribe to my channel for future content, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.